Do you wonder if you really need to invest in premium AI tools to create amazing kids' videos? Or if the free versions can do just as well? Today, I'm diving into every step of YouTube automation, from research to final production. I will compare free and premium versions of the same tools to keep it fair. As someone who's been building this channel using AI tools, I can confidently say that when used effectively, AI can significantly boost your channel's growth. By the end of this video, you'll understand the differences between using free versus premium AI at each stage of video creation, which will empower you to make smarter and more informed decisions when working with AI. Research is the first step in creating content. It helps you discover trending topics, keywords, and what's currently popular in your niche. This step is crucial for identifying ideas that will attract views and make your video relevant. vidIQ can assist by providing keyword suggestions, trending topics, and competition analysis. vidIQ Free offers basic keyword suggestions and trend insights, while the premium version provides in-depth analytics, competitor tracking, and SEO tips. With premium, you get more detailed keyword data and historical performance to help you make informed decisions. For example, let's say you search for kids' stories on both versions. Free will show you general keywords, while premium reveals long-tail keywords like funny bedtime stories for toddlers with deeper competition insights. Here's my final thought on research. If you're just starting, free should work perfectly. But if you're serious about growing your channel, premium will save time and give you valuable insights that could make a big difference. Scripting is about creating the storyline and dialogue for your video. This step is essential to ensure your video has a clear structure, engaging content, and an interesting flow. ChatGPT can help by generating ideas, writing the dialogue, and even making suggestions for improvements. With ChatGPT Free, you get standard responses and a slower generation time, while the premium version offers faster responses, better creativity, and improved performance for complex tasks. For example, a bedtime story about a brave bunny might be basic on Free, but premium could take it further by adding detailed characters, emotions, and a richer storyline. Here's my final thought on scripting. Free works fine for simpler scripts, but if you want something more engaging and creative, premium is worth considering. Media generation is the process of creating visuals like images, graphics, and illustrations for your video. This step is crucial for making your video visually appealing and helping your audience connect with the content. Leonardo AI can assist by generating high-quality images based on text prompts to match your script. With the free version, you get a limited number of image generations per day, whereas premium provides more images and faster processing time. For example, free might generate 5 images in 5 minutes, while premium can create 20 high-res images in just 2 minutes. Here's my final thought on media generation. Free tools are good for casual projects or testing, but if you need quality visuals quickly, premium is the better option. Animation is the step where you bring your visuals to life with movement, like making characters or objects move in your video. This step helps to keep your video engaging by adding motion and action to the scenes. Hailu AI helps by turning static images into animated characters or scenes with smooth motion and transitions. The free version offers basic animations with watermarks, while premium removes the watermark and gives smoother, higher quality animations. For example, a bunny hopping animation might be choppy and watermarked in the free version, while in premium, it would be fluid with no watermark. Here's my final thought on animation. If you don't mind watermarks, free works fine. But if you want a more polished, professional look, premium will be worth the investment. Voiceover is where you add a human-like voice to your video, which gives it personality and life. This step is crucial for delivering your story and making the content engaging and relatable. 11 Labs offers AI-generated voices with a variety of options to suit the tone and style of your video. The free version offers limited voices and may sound robotic, while premium provides more customization options, including tone control, emotion, and a more natural sound. For example, a bedtime story might sound flat and robotic on free, but with premium, the voice can carry warmth and emotion, making the story more engaging.
Hi, this is a sound from the free version of 11 Labs. It is nice but feels a bit robotic.
Hi, this is a sound from the premium version of 11 Labs. It has depth with emotions.
Here's my final thought on voiceovers. If you need a basic voice, free is sufficient. But for a richer, more engaging delivery, premium will help elevate your video. Editing is where you put all the pieces together, trimming and adding effects to create the final product. This step is important to ensure the video flows well and has all the necessary effects to keep the audience's attention. CapCut offers a range of tools for trimming, adding filters, and creating transitions. The free version includes basic editing tools, while Premium provides access to advanced transitions, unlimited exports, and more customization options. For example, Free offers basic fades and transitions, while Premium unlocks dynamic 3D transitions and additional effects for a more professional look. Here's my final thought on editing. If you need only basic edits, Free is enough. But if you're aiming for polished, professional quality videos, Premium is the way to go. Music and sound effects are key to setting the tone and atmosphere of your video. This step is essential for adding mood, emotions, and overall production value to the video. Pixabay offers free music and sound effects, while Epidemic Sound provides a high-quality library with extensive options. The free version, Pixabay, gives you access to decent tracks, while Premium, Epidemic Sound, offers a broader, high-quality selection with more variety and licenses for commercial use. Here's my final thought on music and sound effects. Free is good if you're looking for basic tracks, but if you want a larger, high-quality library and exclusive licenses, Premium will be worth it. That's a wrap! What are your thoughts on free versus premium AI tools? Do you think the extra cost is worth it, or can free tools get the job done just as well? I'd love to hear about your experience, so drop a comment below and let's chat. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss future tips on using AI effectively. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.